Arai's Profile V has been out for about a year now, and we decided, hey, it's time to knock some money off. 25% to be exact. Let's take a closer look and show you how good this thing looks in person. Well, in camera. The Profile V gives riders another entry point into the Arai ownership. The Profile V slots nicely underneath the Chaser X and above the Debut. Those of you familiar with Arai will notice this quite familiar spherical shell shape. This design is known as Arai's R75 shell, and it's basically designed to glance off any impact. So no matter what way you were to come off and hit the roads, it's designed to sort of glance off rather than take a direct impact. It's quite clever, and actually you can see it throughout the Arai range. The Profile V uses Arai's PB-ECLC shell design. Now this PB stands for periphery belt. We have an extra bit of reinforcement running around this part of the helmet to improve strength and rigidity, as well as putting together all those composite layers to increase strength and reduce weight. To get air into the helmet, we have Arai's fantastic ventilation system. Nice big chin vent on the front, as well as our brow vents over the eye, and these nice little clicky vents on top. Coming round to the rear, we have these three exhaust holes that draw air through this nice diffuser, as well as two sort of open vents at the back as well. And on the interior of the helmet, we have this nice plush blue lining. This is fully removable and washable. It's actually really cozy. It reminds me of the Debut. As you get further up into the Arai echelons, you get this very technical, very advanced fabric, but it isn't soft and cozy. This feels like you're in your living room. It's so nice. And it also has cutouts for speaker pockets, and it's really easy to fit an intercom as well. And okay, yes, I have been ignoring something, and that is just how gorgeous this helmet looks. The design of it and the graphic is just fantastic. The pinstriping and the blockiness and just the colors, I love it. Almost as much as I love Club Infinity. Club Infinity is our way of rewarding you. Every pound you spend gets you 4 points. To put it simply, spend £250 and we give you £10 back. For example, buy this helmet today, you get 1,380 points. You get £10 back and those points will just roll on. Dead easy to do, sign up in-store or online. Now let's take a look at that other colorway of the Profile V. This, the Copy, again, nice chunky blocks of color, beautiful bright yellow fluorescent. Now these two helmets in their gorgeous designs are also available in these other two colors here. Remember, 25% off, 34499. Get yours in-store or online.